A fierce political confrontation has erupted between main opposing leader Nelson Chamisa and Defend the Constitution Platform (DCP) organizer led by Jameson Timba, who feel the return of former TSHABANGU leader is calculated to divert attention and counter their initiative to stop President Emmerson Mnangagwa's 2030 political project to subvert the constitution to extend his rule by 2 years or more. Sanabda mashkoblanyi kwachinzi Chamisa opposition veterans clash. Big fight over constitution explodes. Sanabda mashkoblanyi kwapangwa ino kwa subscriber like on the bell icon. Tipita munau news okusembulanyira chiti Chamisa and DCP leaders are at loggerheads fighting over whether or not to defend the constitution from Mnangagwa to 2030 political maneuvers. The former MDC Alliance ACCC leader is opposed to DCP and says 2030 is a ZANU-PF political sideshow, which also while also asking them if there is still any constitution to defend anyway, much to the chagrin and anger of his former opposition allies turned rivals. This has fueled suspicions that Nelson Chamisa is back to mobilize in order immobilize and disrupt opposition forces gathering against Mnangagwa. DCP says Zimbabwe is confronting a moment of profound constitutional danger due to Mnangagwa's plan to manipulate the constitution and extend his rule to 2030. In views Chamisa's return to politics under Agenda 2026, not as a genuine revival, but as a personal symbolic re-centering crusade, which highlights structural weaknesses plaguing the Zimbabwean opposition. They argue that the opposition fails over relying on Chamisa's individual charisma and his idiosyncrasies rather than building robust constitutional and institutional structures, something the former CCC leader is opposed to. In particular, DCP says Chamisa's rushed press conference last Friday was clearly a rebuttal and do-down of its campaign launched on January 17. Chamisa, who announced his return on January 23, wants to form a broad citizens' movement without any constitutional structures, what is become to known as strategic ambiguity. Yet, that is what destroyed CCC. DCP says it was established to defend the constitution under siege from Mnangagwa, and it does not agree with Chamisa that doing so is a sideshow or a red herring. It says that is the most urgent political task of the moment, and all bona fide opposition forces must now pull in one direction to block Mnangagwa's plans. This has put them on a collision course in which the former opposition leader find themselves locked in brutal confrontation. The fight pit Chamisa against Timba and his DCP colleagues, including Tedai and Job Skala, ZVAITWA, Ngaruvume and Obed Musaraura, among others. Ngaruvume, Timba and Gusai have come out to say Chamisa is wrong in not prioritizing fighting to defend the constitution. Chamisa returned to active politics last Friday after a 2-year hiatus amid mixed reactions and fierce debate about his agenda and intentions. He said he wants a fresh start and insinuated launching a new political movement, not a party, with analysts saying it is a contradiction in terms and impractical to seek political power through elections to govern without a political party. Chamisa faces growing damning accusations that he has a secret deal with Mnangagwa to help defend the status quo using his numbers for ethnic, hegemonic political reasons and money, allegation that he denies. Informed insiders told Zim, the newshawks, the hostilities between Chamisa and the DCP leaders are serious and fierce, risking a nasty public showdown. While Chamisa also opposes Mnangagwa's 2030 plan, at least in public, DCP says he has tried to undermine or disrupt their initiative behind the scenes. Thomas Waruda Pangwa ine ariku expose on the newshawks. Muri Zimbabwe, Dot Mbotudza, mapungiro enyu ari genuine. paissue iyi. Pinda comment section medu za funguro enyu, subscribe or like on the bell icon.